Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a 3D shape on a topographic surface in Rhino. If you don't know how to download the road outline and the topographic surface I'm using in this video, just go to TopoExport.com. The link is in the description. So let's get started. First I will switch to the perspective view and set the display mode to shaded. Next I will turn off all the layers except for ground and road outlines. To make the process clear, I will move the road outline 50 meters up. Now I will convert the terrain mesh into a polysurface. Meshes in Rhino are harder to work with rather than polysurfaces. To do this, I select the mesh, type point on, then seal PT, and finally use the patch command. I will leave the default parameters and click OK. Next, I will move this new polysurface into a new layer called Ground 2. And hide the original mesh. Now I can project the road outlines onto the polysurface using the project command. In this tutorial, I can trim the polysurface using the trim tool. Then I will create a new shape that follows the exact road outline by running the patch command. And now I will extrude the new patch by 0.5 meters to make the road clearly visible on the ground. And there we go, the roads are now easy to read in 3D. I can turn the buildings and trees layers back on to add more context. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Rhino tutorials.